Hi everyone, it's Amanda, and today I have some Martha Stewart crafty stuff here that I bought on Amazon, of all places. Now I went to Michael's, gosh, it's been at least a month ago, to purchase some Halloween stuff. And they had like nothing. I mean, like nothing. They had one little end cap with some Halloween stuff on it by Recollections, and then a couple little Tim Holtz things. But literally, that's it. And I'm used to finding lots of Halloween washi tape, you know, little ephemera pieces and stuff like that, and nothing. So on all my searches on Amazon, they just happened to pop this on one of my pages, and it was Martha Stewart Halloween. I have no idea if this is new, old, whatever, but I could not beat the prices. I think this was like $1 something for these little what are they, die cuts, 9 pieces, and I want to say it was in between $1 and $2. I'll put links down below in case anybody wants to check it out. But look at this haunted house. This like a whole little haunted house collection. Wonder if you can put these together. Look at that. It's awesome. It's like, I wonder if you can build a haunted house. I don't know. But they're very substantial. Look at that. It's like double. So these little haunted houses be great in a mini book. Or if you could even trace these and make all the pages. You know, ideas are just flowing. Some crows or ravens. Little birds here. And a big, big moon. Like I said, I think I paid like $1.50, $1.75, something like that, with Prime free shipping. It was like a no-brainer, honestly. I did buy some washi tape too, but I've already dug into it and I've already used it, so don't have it here. A little witch's hat, cast a spell. It's not too little. It's got glitter on it. Not my favorite thing, witches, but you know, whatever. A little cat, some little black cats. It's not my favorite either, but again, it was under $2. Witches on brooms, and then these are like, you hear that? These are like substantial. If you put these on, that's why I say you could even actually, you know, use these as a book or frame it, because they're just so durable. Fire burn cauldron bubble. Cute. I love that. And then I've got, oops, a little raven there got out of my hand. This is a set of stickers. It says this bag is not a toy. The washi tape I got coordinates with these because it had little snakes weaving through it and stuff. It was really kind of cool. 3 sheets of stickers, and I want to say these were a couple bucks as well. Toxic Tonic, Tongue of Snake, Pick Your Poison. What I did like about the washi tape that I've already used and haven't been able to show you, and it's not right of me to continue to talk about, but I'll link it below if it's still available just so you can see it. But it coordinated with all of these stickers as well. So we've got some skulls and skeletons, caution, potent poison, at your own risk. So these are great for cards or a mini book if I happen to make one. And then also they'd be great to create your own ephemera. Now, I also got this large paper pad, and this was like $7, I think. $7.50. And again, all of these were Prime. So, and if you really want to be jealous about it, I used my Discover Bucks, so I didn't pay anything. But, you know, that's neither here nor there. So this first page is all like black spooky night with bats. There's 2 of these. This is a 12 by 12 album, 48 sheets. This is like a collage of scary words. More scary word collage, but this one has gold foil. That's cute. There's spider webs. Nice, love that. It'd be great as a background on a card. Little moons with the gold foiling. Marble. La 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 la. Love that. And then I got washi tape that matches this too, so sorry. Some more bats in the night. The beginning of the snakes. and that's gold foil. Another black swirly design. The spider web with gold spiders, icky. A gray and white with black splotches, spooky enough. Here are some cut aparts with some tags and some journaling cards. Spider venom, witchcrafted, trick or treat, fire, burn, cauldron, bubble. Another little geometric squirrel going on there. Oh, look at this snake print in the gold foil. Oh, that's awesome. Another little bat. These have eyes, so those are kind of creepy. Another spider web with the gold foil. This one looks like it's supposed to be another snake skin, maybe, to go along with these rattlesnakes here with all different designs along them. Ooh, they're so creepy. Oh, now this is creepy. I don't mind spiders, but I hate moths. Moths freaking creep me out. So that's what this is. It's gross. I hate them. They're kind of like a mixed media look. Ooh, I like that spider web, the gold foil. You know, Martha, she's just so good. Some nice little diamond bug display there. Now this spider is kind of creepy because it's got that huge web, but I don't know if you can see this very well from the picture, but it's done to where the legs look kind of fibrous and hairy. Mystical Magic spider webs again with the gold foil, and these are all small legs. And that was the last page. So this is a very fun paper pad from Martha Stewart. Got lots of little stuff together. I think everything together with the washi tape was like $17 before my discount from my Discover Bucks. So I will link this stuff below. You can have a look if you want, if it's still available. And it was Prime shipping, so you gotta have it fast. And so anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this or some craft videos that I do with this stuff, subscribe to my channel because we've got more to come. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.